People always say that an idle mind is the devil's workshop. Is that true? That can be very true on some levels. What do you do when you're idle? I want to encourage someone today, when you are very idle or you're idle, it is a great opportunity to engage in productive, fulfilling, and healthy activities that can nurture your mind, your body, your spirit, your soul, whatever. Nurturing activities that can be productive for those areas in your life. Engage in self-development. You can learn something new. You can pick up a book. You can listen to a healthy podcast of interest. You can take an online course. You can learn something new. Or there are many do-it-yourself out there. You can be encouraged to try something new that can be fulfilling and productive. Practice a hobby, painting, knitting. This is our winter time here. It might be a good opportunity to even learn how to knit. You can knit a sweater or something. Writing, gardening when it is appropriate season for that, or playing a musical instrument. Find a hobby, do something, set personal goals. You can use your idle times to plan for the next step, to set your personal goals, to reflect, introspect, and track, monitor yourself where you are. Move your body. You can be idle. That can be a great opportunity to go for a walk, to exercise, to practice yoga, or try some new workout and just see how physical activity can boost your mood and your energy levels. You can stretch, you can meditate, or you can just be creative. You can write a journal. You can go on YouTube, find some new baking styles, some new cooking styles. Do that and do many things that can fulfill you, or that can encourage you and boost your morale. You can strengthen your connections. Pick up your phone, not just scrolling on social media, not just call someone for idle conversation. Check on your loved ones, check on your friends, families. Carry out meaningful conversations to strengthen your connections. You can even volunteer somewhere. It can even be virtual. Why not? You can practice mindfulness, meditate, practice gratitude, or you can just be retrospecting, where you declutter mentally and physically. Clean up your space, clean up your workspace, clean up your home, clean up your bedroom. Somebody will be laughing at me about this right now. Clean up your space. Clean up your mind. Declutter your thoughts. Declutter. And just fill your mind with very meaningful things. Declutter and reorganize your thoughts. You can immerse in nature. This may not be the right time, but you will still have some days where you can just spend time outdoors. Go to a park, a garden, and just nature trail. Being in nature is super restorative. Help your future self. Learn a skill. Plan and prepare. When you have an idle time, use it as a great opportunity to channel meaningful activities. Don't just make it waste. And yes, you can relax as well and catch up with yourself, catch up with your thoughts, catch up with your goals. Don't let idle time be idly spent. Use your idle time for a purpose. Even relaxing, just catching up, retrospecting, recharge, reset. Don't waste your idle time.